What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another video. Just got the bike ECU flashed, actually. Just got an ECU flashed. Guess today we're just talking about why y'all should tune your bike, to be honest. Why y'all should tune your bikes. Why y'all should tune your bikes and, the benefits and everything. Because honestly, not even just performance, it helps a lot. It really helps a lot. And you hear that, man? It sounds amazing. Alright, I'll talk to y'all some more when I hop on the bike on the road. Alright, y'all. I forgot to record me getting gas. I forgot to record me getting gas. But yeah. So tonight we're just gonna go test this tune, see how it feels. I'm gonna try to talk more in this video, but we'll see. It might be more of a riding video, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, also I got a new tire because my old tire was cooked, man, like cooked. Like, yeah, that old tire was cooked. Like, it was already showing a little bit of wire. Yeah, so I got a new tire. I got the same size tire. I think after this tire runs out, I'm gonna get a little bit taller sidewall tire. One, because it'll increase the angle. Like, it'll in theory drop the front a little bit. And also it looks a little bit meaner with the fatter tire in the back. That's my thought process of it. I don't know if y'all saw that S1K Rocket. I used to watch a lot of his videos. I mean, I still do, but he got arrested a while ago, and how they caught him was crazy. I mean, basically had a whole RICO on him. Like, they found him through his social media and everything. Like, that's crazy. Like, that's also why I don't like doing those like top speed videos. I mean, obviously whenever I speed, it's all AI. I just AI it for the content, you know. We do legal things over here. Only legal things. Man, I like having fun on bikes. I love it. AI, guys, all AI. Oh yeah. We're at this cruise night. More like a, yeah, more like it's not like a race night, more of a cruise, you know, just chill. There's not really that many crazy cars. Mainly people coming out to chill, you know, watch other cars. Hope it's a good night though. Currently 4:20 in the morning. I'm about to get home right now. It was a good night, man. The tune feels good and everything. I like it. Plenty of more power. And it's more, it just feels better, like it responds a lot better. Everyone should either get tuned or at least look into it. It's amazing, man. I mean, if you race your bike like me, definitely it's a must. It's a must. But yeah, like in the future I want to tune it either on E85 or MR12. MR12 I do gain more power than E85, but E85 the more it's cheaper and it's more accessible. They sell it at gas stations. MR12 you have to order or get from certain suppliers. But yeah, man. night the cops they were hot. So many cops. There was like 30 state troopers out, and the helicopter was out. So it was. That's why I couldn't really record much. It's kind of hard really to get a video whenever there's that many cops out. But I hope y'all enjoyed, man. I'm gonna try to be a little more consistent with this YouTube stuff. You know, try to make it grow more. Let me know if y'all like let me know if y'all like more of the. Sorry, that's wrong exit. Let me know if y'all like more of the like either high speed like exhaust videos, or you like more of like the talking, the commentary videos. Cause I enjoy doing both of them. The only thing about the commentary videos is sometimes I just zone out and like log in into the writing, and I just forget to talk and stuff. But that's something I could definitely you know, work on. Oof. I think the next video is gonna be a full review on this bike, cause I've about to hit 10,000 miles, so I'll probably do a 10,000 mile review on the bike, and just let y'all know how the bike is, you know, how it's held up still after 10,000 miles. So if y'all are watching this video late, whenever it is not posted, go check out that video. It should be out within like 2 days, if I'm on top of everything. But yeah, man. Other than that, y'all, I think that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next one.